Is everything conscious? Probably not, but the question is not as absurd as it sounds. In this video, I will talk about panpsychism. But before that, welcome to Conspiracy Theories Hub, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. In 21st century common sense, consciousness doesn't take up very much of the universe. Most of us assume that it exists only in biological realm, specifically in creatures with brains and nervous systems. Psychists deny this bit of common sense, believing that mentality or consciousness is a fundamental feature of every single component of the universe. Psychism is derived from the Greek word pan means all and psyche means soul, collectively meaning mind is everywhere. At the very basic level, whether it is a brain, a tree, a rock, or an electron, everything that is physical also possesses an interior mental aspect. Plato and Aristotle, for example, had panpsychist beliefs, as did the Stoic. Even the Nobel Prize winning physicist Max Planck once remarked in an interview, "I regard consciousness as fundamental." In the last 10 years or so, this understanding has been disrupted by new scientific breakthroughs. We are now well acquainted with cephalopods, the intelligent communication between fungi and the interspecies sharing economy in forests. Honeybees recognize faces, use tools, make collective decisions, dance to communicate, and appear to understand higher order concepts. Plants can feel you touching them. Can you believe that pea plants can learn behaviors, identify the sounds of running water, and grow towards it, and communicate via clicking sounds? A slime mold, a single celled eukaryotic organism that has no brain, no nervous system, and looks like a yellow puddle, can make its own decisions. True, if consciousness is everywhere, why should it not animate the iPhone, the internet, or the United States of America? Furthermore, panpsychism doesn't explain why a healthy brain is conscious whereas the same brain placed inside a blender would not be. Physics gives us rich information about the behavior of matter but leaves us clueless about its intrinsic nature. I'll give you a concrete example in layman terms. According to general relativity, mass and space-time stand in a causal relationship. Mass curves space-time and the curvature of the space-times affects the behavior of objects with mass. What is mass? For a physicist, we know what mass is when we know its effects, when we know the way in which it curves space-times. But what is space-time? We understand what space-time curvature is only when we know what it does, which involves how it affects objects with mass. You see the problem here? That's why some physicists can't deny the philosophy of panpsychism. According to physicists, physical things must also have an intrinsic nature. What is then intrinsic nature of matter? Panpsychist says it is consciousness. If panpsychists are correct, it could raise questions about the fundamental principles of a belief system that has long been ingrained in our collective consciousness for centuries. This belief suggests that humans hold superiority over everything else and also that we are detached from the non sentient elements of nature, isolated on a planet within a mechanical and indifferent universe. Panpsychism, on the other hand, offers a renewed sense of wonder to the world, profoundly integrating us into the climate crisis and positioning us on a spectrum of consciousness that encompasses everything we observe in our surroundings. Thank you for watching and don't forget to leave the like and comment down the video.